Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's your boy Saint, another video for Black Studios, and I got something special for you guys today. Today we're making some pants, right? But they're different. So I have two very special clients that I met up in New York, and they wanted some pants from me, and I told them I was gonna make some customized pants for them. I'll probably show a picture of what the customized pants look like right here. That's a digital, and I decided to take some time off to pretty much bleach and dye the pants to a specific type of color and texture, so it looks like this pretty much. I'll show you guys what it looks like more as we get to it, but like the same process I always do, I'm gonna start with the pockets, put the pockets together. I got two of these pair of pants, so I'm gonna pretty much do them both together so that I can get it done as fast as possible. So I hope you guys like it. It kind of goes with my hoodie right now, you know, old products from back in the days. But I'm gonna start with the pockets, and then like every process, I'll just go through every little thing slowly. Alright, so I already started sewing some stuff up. I got the back pocket done, both of them. I started sewing the pockets, and now I'm gonna top stitch them. Sorry that I didn't show this, but like I'll show you guys more stuff. But this is also a good to see the actual texture of the denim. Looks pretty cool. And now I'm gonna work on the actual pants. I'm gonna figure that out. I have them pinned up. Give me a second. I got the pants already pinned up. This is the backs. Got some black denim that's gonna be added to it. Here's the other one. Here's the front with we had a bleached and logo in there. So there's another front. Well, that's the first front, and this is the other front. So that's pretty much what the whole layout looks like. I just want to show you guys what the fabric look like as well. So now I'm gonna work on the pockets right now. So now that the pockets are finished, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to pretty much sew the black onto the more washed denim. The technique that I usually do is like a zigzag stitch for the top stitching to decorate it. So I'm just gonna go with that, and then we're going to then add the pockets onto the pants. Yeah, let's get to that.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but you are a being of love. The simple fact that you exist here on this plane with me and others is an act of love. The fact that you are able to get up every morning, nourish yourself, and keep it pushing is an act of love. Sometimes it may not feel that way. Other times it may feel like it is just not there. But I need you to come back to full center and understand that you are love.
Alright, so this is the pants so far. I just sewed all the black patches onto the pants for the front and the backs, so this is all of it laid out. I also added some pleats in the back of the pants, and then I have the pockets right there and there, and then the back pockets are on the pockets. I forgot. So I sewed those. The other back pockets for the actual back are right there and there, and then we have the fly front right here. So now I'm gonna add all these together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hem the bottom of the pants for each side of the pants, and then I'm going to also add the back pockets onto the back of the pants and the front pockets onto the front of the pants, and then we're going to attach them all together. We'll see what it looks like after that. I ended up hemming the bottom of the front and for both pieces of the front, and I'm gonna do the back now, but I added the pockets to the back of the pants, as you can see right here, and then this one right here. So I'm gonna hem those, and then we're gonna start attaching the pants together. So let's see how that turns out. So this is the pants. This is what they look like. I have to add the buttons inside the flap so that this part stays up more together. So it's gonna look more like this. And then this is the back with the pleats, and then the back pockets on it. And then for the details, as you guys see, boom, you see the black goes all the way down. And then we also have it on the inside as well, and then on the other side as well. So the dimensions of the pants are really cool. The geometrics are really awesome. I really like this. All I gotta do is add the belt loops. So I'm gonna do the belt loops, and then I'm gonna show you what we're using for the belt loops right after. Put the belt loops on it, got it in an organized fashion, and then for the waistband, what we're doing is we're doing this little rope detail. You'll use the rope to tighten it so it'll give it more of a paper bag look when it's tied to the waist naturally. And yeah, they're done. So I just gotta do this process one more time and I'll have both of the pants done for my clients. Overall, pretty happy with it. The logo stamped on the back right there, boom, and then we got the logo on the front as well. And yeah, all right, so this is what the pants look like. They're not really supposed to fit me, but they got this little paper bag look. The waist itself tightens, so that's why it's able to fit, you know, it goes all the way around. Got the open pockets like always, got the bleached embroider, and then see that, boom, you see those little black accents? They're nice, right? They go all the way out. My client wanted his shoes to be able to show, so that's why they're like cut straight all the way through. So I like the way these look. They're really cool. I'll show you guys the back. The back got the pockets, big pockets, feel me? And then yeah, I gotta do one more. Alright guys, so what I got for you right here is I sewed up pretty much everything. I sewed the back pockets to the pants. I sewed the black trim to the pants. All I gotta do is just put the front pockets right here onto the front pieces, and then I'm going to put the pants together, and then we're gonna put this little fly front on there as well. And then after that, it should be almost done. Yeah, it should be almost done, so it shouldn't take that long. I didn't really sleep, kind of stayed up to do this. I wanted to get it done, so hopefully we get it done this week. Yeah, let's get back to it. Boom and boom. Yes. So this is the first pants that we worked on right here. As you guys see it, that's the back right there. This is the second pants. So the textures of the pants themselves are a little bit different. So each pants kind of comes with its own personality. But I love it. So now that those things are done, I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the week. I'm not gonna be here for the weekend, so not sure. But we'll see what else I can come up with. Alright, what's up guys? It's been a few days that have passed, and now what I'm gonna start working on is, you see that? See that right there? Yeah. I'm about to start working on some bags. Well, I'm only making 3 like I said. We already have everything cut out right here. These are the features of the bag that I'm gonna do for the face first, and then the rest of the stuff is down there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off on making the mouth, like you see right here. So I'm gonna start sewing up the mouth pieces, all the black things first, and then I'm gonna stuff them, and then we're just gonna do color by color until we get to the actual face, the orange face. So let's start doing that right now. What I did is I literally sewed all of the black pieces to the denim. There's 3 of each piece, so there's 3 of every single thing that you see here. This is the mouth, nostrils, the eyes, the tiger stripes, you know, the whole layout that you see right there. And pretty much all laid out now. What I have to do now is I have to stuff every single thing with the pillow stuffing, shove it inside, you know, all inside there. And then I have to do a finished seam stitch that's gonna end up, you know, enclosing everything, and then all those things will be laid out onto the other pieces. But we're gonna put that on hold. What I'm gonna work on right now because I got some bucket hats that I gotta make, and I'm gonna call it a day after that. So let me show you those things. The bucket hat, I've never really shown you guys the bucket hat and how it looks and how I construct it. If you went probably to the second video that I made, I kind of showed you guys all of the stuff in the collection that I've been working on currently. So I'm gonna show you the bucket hat again. So like the bucket hats before, the bucket hat is very simple. Comes with a little face mask attached to it. I'm gonna be making the top part of the bucket hat today to show you guys how it looks, and then we're gonna end up bleaching it behind the scenes and all that jazz, and then we're gonna work on the face mask probably next week. So I'll show you how all that stuff looks right now. What you're gonna see right here, this is the base of the bucket hat pretty much. I'm going to sew these together, and then I'm gonna attach this top of the bucket hat itself, pin it up, sew it, and then I have to attach the brim, which is just this part right here. I gotta attach 2 pieces of the brim together, sew it up, add it to the bucket hat, and then the bucket hat practically complete after that. It's not too complicated, so I got 2 bucket hats I gotta make to add to the stock, and then yeah, if you guys want, you can go on the website and shop for the bucket hat, and yeah, it shouldn't take that long. But let's get to it. Alright, so I got both bucket hats done. They're completed. All I gotta do is I gotta bleach them, and then we'll work on these next week. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys, you know, like the video, subscribe, all that jazz. Go shop on the website. If you guys want to pick up some stuff, I gotta figure out how this is gonna fit. Something like that. You guys make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, and all that jazz. Like I said, 8 p.m. Eastern Central. If you guys want to shop, website, all that jazz and all that. It's your boy Saint, Black Studios. Y'all take care.